Eugene, Kimberly, these two crashes happened just in the past 2 days, both after drivers refused to obey Scott's law. I spoke with administrators for Illinois State Police and the Department of Transportation on how the slogan, "Move over or get pulled over," is more than just a hefty fine. An Illinois State Police trooper life flighted a Good Samaritan hospital in Downers Grove after a driver struck his squad car.
He was struck, and then that following morning, so just a couple hours later, we had the IDOT worker that was struck.
Scott's law, also known as the Move Over Law, requires drivers to get over if a vehicle is on one shoulder of the road. While Captain Jason Bradley believes drivers are complying more this year with Scott's law, he says it's always in the back of troopers' mind if they're going to be hit or not.
Are they moving out of the way? Are they paying attention? Do they see you?
Captain Bradley says it's important for drivers to pay attention and not drive impaired. And if you can't move over, at least slow down and be aware of the scene around you.
Drivers need to pay attention. They also need to understand what the law is. And just as you stated earlier, whether it's flashing or not flashing, whether it's an emergency vehicle or a citizen that's broken down on the side of the road, the law applies equally to everybody.
Paul Wapple with the Illinois Department of Transportation says construction zones prove to be dangerous for workers as well.
Watch your speed. Be aware of the conditions around you, especially in or near work zones.
Fines for Scott's law start at $250 for the first offense, but there are aggravating factors. If there's property damage involved, you lose driving privileges for 3 to 12 months, 6 months to 2 years if someone is injured. If there's a death or if you're impaired, jail time and fines are increased. So far this year, as of yesterday, there have been 711 deaths on Illinois public roadways. That's up slightly from last year. Each year, over 1,400 injuries happen in Illinois work zones. Just last year, 30 people died in work zones across the state. Eugene.